Dear students, today we are going to see 4th standard maths term 2 unit 5 time. In this lesson, now we are going to learn about express the time in terms of AM and PM. See these pictures. In this picture, both the clock shows 9 o'clock only. See, this is morning, this is night. 9 o'clock in the morning is 9 AM. 9 o'clock in the night is 9 PM. AM means ante-meridiem, PM means post-meridiem. Using AM or PM. See, our day starts at midnight 12 o'clock only. Midnight 12 o'clock to noon 12 o'clock, we call it the AM. AM means ante-meridiem. Noon 12 o'clock to midnight 12 o'clock, we call it the PM. PM means post-meridiem. Midnight 12 o'clock to noon 12 o'clock have 12 hours. And noon 12 o'clock to midnight 12 o'clock have 12 hours. 12 plus 12, 24 hours. So one day, how many hours? One day, 24 hours. See, write the time using AM or PM. First one has done for you. See, 8 o'clock in the morning. Morning, it's 8 AM. 4 o'clock in the evening. Evening means 4 o'clock evening means afternoon. Afternoon, it's a PM. So, 4 PM. Next, 10 o'clock in the night. Night means it's a PM. 10 PM. 5 hours after noon. Noon means it's at 12 o'clock. After noon. 5 hours means after 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a 5 PM. Afternoon it's a 5 PM. Next, 3 hours before noon. Noon means it's at 12 o'clock. Before means see 11, 10, 9. 9, 10, 11, 12. So, 3 hours before means it's a 9 AM. Before noon, it's a AM. Relates to 24-hour clock with respect 12-hour clock. See, 24-hour clock is the most commonly used time notation in the world. Did you see the display of times in railways? In railways, they will use only 24 hours clock. 24 hours clock means digital clock. See, in 24 hours clock, midnight to noon represent like this. Midnight, this is midnight 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock represent 0000. This means it's a 12 o'clock, 12 AM. Okay, this is hours, this is minutes. See, midnight 12 to noon 11:59 represent like this. After 11:59, see noon to midnight represent like this. See, let's see. See, this is a 12 hours normal clock and inside this is 24 hours clock. See, after 12, if it is 1 o'clock means in our 24 hours clock, the time will be 13 hours. If it is 1:30 means 1 hour 30 minutes means the digital time is 13 hours 30 minutes. If it is 1:45 means the digital time is 13 hours 45 minutes. In our normal 2 o'clock means in our 24 hours clock this will be, see, 14 hours. Two 30 means 2 hours 30 minutes means in digital clock it will be 14 hours 30 minutes. In our normal clock 3 o'clock means in digital clock it's a 15 hours. If it is normal clock 3:30 means 3 hours 30 minutes means in our digital clock it will be 15 hours 30 minutes. In our normal clock 4 o'clock means in our digital clock it will be 16 hours. In our normal clock 4:45 4 hours 45 minutes means in our digital clock it will be 16 hours 45 minutes. In our normal clock 5 o'clock means in our 12-hour clock it's a 5 o'clock means in our digital clock 24 hours clock it will be 17 hours. In our normal clock it's a 5 hours 30 minutes means in our digital clock it is 17 hours 30 minutes. In our normal clock in our 12-hour clock 6 o'clock means the digital clock it will be 18 hours. 18 hours means it's our normal clock it's a 12-hour clock it's a 6 o'clock. Suppose in our 12-hour clock it's a 7 o'clock means the in 24 hours clock it will be 19 hours. In 8 o'clock in normal clock 8 o'clock means in our digital clock it will be 20 hours. In our normal clock 9 o'clock means in our digital clock it will be 21 hours. See, our normal clock which is 10 o'clock means in our 24 hours clock it will be 22 hours. See, in our normal clock 11 o'clock means and our digital clock means 24 hours clock it will be 23 hours. See, if it is 1 o'clock it's 13, 2 o'clock it's 14, 3 o'clock it's 15 means I am talking about PM afternoon. 4 o'clock means it's a 4 PM means it's a 16 hours. 5 PM it's a 17 hours. 6 PM it's a 18 hours. 7 PM means it's a 19 hours. 8 PM means it's a 20 hours. 9 PM it's a 21 hours. 10 PM it's a 22 hours. 11 PM it's a 23 hours. It's 11:15 up to 11:59. So 23:59. See, 23 hours 59 minutes. See, noon to midnight the time represent like that. In 24 hours clock does not have AM and PM. In only 12 hours clock means our normal clock only have AM and PM. Before noon it's AM, after noon it's a PM. See this example. Look at the time on this digital clock. See the digital clock 24 hours clock, the time is 20 hours 27 minutes. This is hours and this is minutes. Now its time is 20 hours 27 minutes. If you want to convert this time to normal time means you have to subtract 12 from the hour. Hour is 20. So you have to minus 12 from this 20. If you minus like this, you will get the answer is 8. So the time is 8 o'clock. To normal time, this time is 8 hours 27 minutes. There is no changes in minutes. You have to minus 12 from only this hour. 20 minus 12. So the answer is 8. So the time is 8 hours 27 minutes in our 12-hour clock. In our normal clock, the time is 8 hours 27 minutes. That time, if you converting to digital clock, means the time will be 20 hours 27 minutes. See, to change time to 12-hour clock means just subtract 12 from the hour. If you want to change digital time to normal 12 hours clock means you have to subtract 12 from the hour. See, to convert 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock. To change the time to 12-hour clock to 24 hours clock means just you have to add 12 to the hour. If you want to change the time to 24 hours clock to 12 hours clock means you have to subtract 12 from the hour. If you want to change the time to 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock means you have to add 12 from the 12 to the hour. See, 1 p.m. becomes 13 in 24-hour clock. 1, it's a normal clock, 1 o'clock. In normal clock, it's 1 o'clock means the digital clock 1 plus 12, 13. You can convert this time to digital clock, 13 hours. See, 12 o'clock. In 12 o'clock, digital time is also 12 o'clock only. So, no need to change anything. It's a digital time only. 13. 13 is it's not a normal clock time. 13 is a digital time only. It's a 1 o'clock. That is a digital, this is digital time only. Our normal clock, it is a 1 o'clock. To change time to 24-hour clock means you have to add 12 to the hour. See, convert the following clock time to 24 hours time. 2 examples are done for you. See, they given our normal clock time, 12-hour clock time. You have to convert this time to 24 hours. See, 4 hours 25 minutes. It's in digital 24 hours clock also. It's AM. AM means 24-hour clock also the same time only. 4 hours 25 minutes. See, 9 hours 20 minutes AM. AM means morning. Morning, that in the 24 hours also the same only, 9 hours 20 minutes. See, 6 hours 30 minutes PM. 6:30 PM. Only PM will get changed. PM 6 hours 30 minutes means you have to add 6 plus 12. If it is 6 plus 12 means 18. So the time is, digital time is 18 hours 30 minutes. You have to add 12 from the hour. Only PM time. Next, convert the following clock time into 12-hour time. 2 examples are done for you. They given digital clock time. You have to convert this time to 12-hour clock, our normal clock. See, 11 o'clock. It's a, in digital also it's a, sorry, in normal clock also it's a 11 o'clock only. 8 o'clock. In normal time also it's a 8 o'clock only. 8 AM. 12:28. 12:28. It's our normal clock also. It's at 12:28 only. 16:20. 16:20. See, 16 minus 12. It's a 4. The normal time is 4:20. 4 hours 20 minutes PM. Okay. That's all in this class. Thank you.